Turning to Republic, Louis XVI signed secret negotiation with Prussia. But in 1792, National Assembly raised war against Prussia and Austria. Many people joined army. Patriotic songs they sang was the Marseillaise composed by the poet Roget de Leslie. It was sung for the first time by volunteers from Marseilles as they marched into Paris and so got its name. Marseilles is now national anthem of France. Losses and economical difficulties cropped in. Men were at the front and women were earning living and looking after the families. Friends means that in the working as a soldier. Many clubs were formed. Major was Jacobins after Saint Jacob in Paris. Jacobins include small shopkeepers, artisans such as shoemakers, pastry cooks, watchmakers, printers, as well as the servants and the daily wage workers with the leader Maximilian Robespierre. There were long striped trousers which were different from knee breech of the fashionable section. They were called as sanslots, literally means those without knee breeches, along with red cap means liberty. Jacobins along with Persians stormed palace of Tuileries and held king as the hostage for many hours. Later the assembly voted to imprison the royal family. Elections were held. From now on, all men of 21 years and above, despite of wealth, got the right to vote. Newly elected assembly was called the convention. On 21st September 1792, it abolished the monarchy and declared France a republic. People elected government and there is no hierarchy, hereditary monarchy. Louis XVI was sentenced to death on charge of treason on 21st January 1793, executed publicly at Palace de la Congrès. Same happened with Queen Marie Antoinette shortly. Robespierre reign of terror 1793 to 94, severe control and punishment. All enemies of republic, ex-nobles or clergy were arrested, imprisoned and tried. It found guilty were guillotined. The guillotine is a device consisting of two poles had a blade with which a person is beheaded and named after Dr. Guillotin who invented it. Maximum ceiling on wage and price. Meat and bread was rationed. Expensive white wheat was forbidden. All citizens were required to eat the pain equality bread, a loaf made of whole wheat, rather than traditional Monsieur, Sir, and Madame. Madame, all French men and women were citoyens, means citizens, or citoyenne means citizen. Citoyen means gents and citoyenne means ladies. Church were shut, their buildings converted to barracks. Even his support demanded moderation. He was sent to court in 1794 and guillotined. Directory rules France. After Jacobean government fell, wealthier middle class seized power. New constitution denied vote to non-propertied section, provide two elected legislative council and appointed directory executive of 5 members to safeguard concentration of the power in one hand as under Jacobins. But directors clashed with the legislative council with dismissed them. This led to military dictator Napoleon Bonaparte. Women and Henry. Most women had no access to education or job training. Only wealthier class could study in convents and later marriage could be arranged. Wages of women were lower than men. Women started political clubs to raise voice with 60 such clubs in various cities. Most famous club, the Society of Revolutionary and Republican Women, disappointed that Constitution of 1791 reduced them to a passive citizen. Demands a right to vote, to be elected, hold a political office and get representation in government. During the reign of terror, the new government issued laws ordering closure of the women's clubs and banning of their political activities, but it continued. Women got right to vote in France in 1946, result of international suffrage movement. Olympe de Gouges, politically active woman in revolutionary France in 1791, wrote Declaration of Rights of Women and Citizens. She opposed Jacobean government. Forceful closure of women's club was executed. Abolition of slavery. Effort of social reform of Jacobean in French colonies in Caribbean, Martinique, Guadeloupe and Saint Domingo, suppliers of tobacco, indigo, sugar and coffee. Triangular slave trade between Europe, Africa and America. The slave trade began in 17th century. French merchants sailed from port of Bordeaux and Nantes to the African coast, where they brought slaves from local chieftains, packed on 3 months' voyage, and were sold to the plantation owners. Convention in 1794 legislated to free all slaves in French overseas possessions. However, it was reintroduced 10 years later by Napoleon. Finally abolished the French colonies in 1848. Revolutions and everyday life. Abolition of censorship, freedom of speech and expression, freedom of press. Conclusion. 1804, Napoleon crowned himself Emperor of France, became modernizer of Europe. He introduced many laws such as protection of private property and a uniform system of weights and measures provided by the decimal system. Initially was seen as a liberator, but later as invading force. In 1815, defeated at Waterloo, Tipu Sultan and Raja Ram Mohan Roy were two examples of individuals who responded to the idea coming from revolutionary France. Raja Ram Mohan Roy was one of who was inspired by new ideas, French Revolution and later July Revolution. He insisted to visit, worship flying revolutionary tricolor. Okay, by this we are completing this video. We will continue in next video.